Hi traders, so this is the reason I opened a position on Crash 1000. I saw price at the overbought zone, okay, and I knew that it would be spiking from that level. Because on the main chart, I have my key supply zone. So I want to show you guys how to combine this strategy with price action and make consistent profits in the market, okay? Make consistent profits. Trust me, it's very effective. Okay, it's over 95% win rate. If you're new on my channel, please subscribe to this channel. If you're new, subscribe to this channel, and always try to like our videos, drop some good comments. That encourages me to do more. Okay, yeah, that shows that you really appreciate what I'm doing. All right, so it will push me to do more of that, because you see, we take our time to make sure that we give out these informations, okay, give out this knowledge, this skill to people randomly. We don't ask, we don't want to know where you're from, who you are, if we know you, if you always comment, or if you always like our videos or stuff. We just feel like it's necessary we drop this video here. We show people how to do these stuffs. Okay, so somebody said that I'm making money from YouTube, this and that, but let me tell you, if it was money that I'm making from YouTube, I won't be here. How much am I making from YouTube? Okay, so I'm trying to let you guys understand that what makes me come here is, since somebody dropped a comment, well, I really appreciate your job, what you're doing, makes me happy, makes me feel I still need to do more. Okay, so please always like our videos, subscribe to the channel. This strategy, I'll show you guys my reason for this trade and how to combine the strategy you saw minutes ago to make more, to stay consistent in this market. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, remember my strategy, you always move to your daily time frame. Okay, see, I know someone will want to skip this video, but let me tell you something. You come and complain that a particular strategy is not working, and that's why this strategy guys will want to give you guys everything they see. Why? Because you guys are looking for more strategy. You guys are not satisfied with the one they've given you. Why? Because you just want to come and put your um put your indicators, and once market touches the overbought zone, once market touches the overbought zone, you sell from the overbought zone. When market touches the oversold, you buy. Overbought, you sell. Touch oversold, you buy. That's just what you want to do. But it's more, it's beyond that. So if you really want to be making, if you really want to be making money, bro, you need to take your time and learn this stuff. If you really want to be making the money, you need to take your time. Unless your money, your hard-earned money, does not mean a thing to you, that's when you want to just add indicators and buy and sell, buy and sell. It does not work that way. It does, but trust me, it could be like just 50 or 60%. So what you need to do, I try to bring this thing in, but I realize that whenever I bring this stuff in, nobody even want to watch the video. And sometimes I just want to give you guys indicator, but my conscience will not let me. This is the best way to trade with an indicator and make money. The market is dynamic. So if you just use an indicator to make decisions, you're not smart enough to understand that when markets get to a certain zone, it could buy from this zone or it could sell from this zone. You will not make consistent profits with just indicator. So I know it seems a bit hard, but trust me, if I'm doing this stuff, that means you can equally do it. So what I'm trying to say here is that always try to apply a bit of price action when you're using an indicator. That way, you know when to buy and when to sell. You know when the indicator gives you false signal and when it's giving you telling you the right thing to do. So my strategy, I love bringing in price action, guys. I love bringing in price action. First thing, remember, go to daily time frame. So on our daily time frame, we want to know what the market is doing. Remember, I love saying this, I love using this. On your daily time frame, try to create or make up a story that will guide you, or that will give you the direction of the markets are going to tell you, okay, this crash 1000, you should buy or you should sell, right? So now the first thing when you go to your daily time frame, you want to make up a story. So now here's my story on the daily time frame. I hope you guys can still see that. So here's my story on the daily time frame. We are, first of all, this shows that on the daily time frame that we are on a downtrend. We are in a downtrend. Sorry, we are in a downtrend. Okay, so in this downtrend, we have a descending channel as it is. This is what I mean by descending channel. You can see this channel. You can see this channel, right? So this is a channel and it's descending. The channel is descending, right? So this is a descending channel. Remember, it's a downtrend and it's a descending channel. So it's a downtrend. That's one thing to take note of, okay? Now, the second thing is that we have price trading like this from this zone here, from this trend line to the trough, to the back to the peak, back to the trough, back to the peak, back to the trough, back to this other side, back to this other side. So it's actually doing lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low, about to make a lower high, so as to make lower low again. Note, this might not be right, might not be completely right, because market trading, forex trading is probability, 100% probability. Whether you call it high probability or low probability, probability is probability. Okay, so now we've seen that we've created this theory that market is in a downtrend and there's a channel like this and market is doing this, right? And this time around we have markets on the supply zone and it has touched the trend line that it has been touching, that has been respecting over time. So that means it might respect this trend line again this time and start going down. Then number two, we have horizontal line that price has been respecting over time. This is simple, guys. You just need to practice. Stop being lazy with your money. You have money, you want to be making money, you want to be lazy. You need to practice this stuff. The more you practice this stuff, the more you make money from this. All right. So you practice this stuff now. You can see what I'm trying to say here. We have markets reversing. 1, 2, 3, about 4 places. All right, 4 places. About 4 places. If you still want to look at this, we have market reversing here. Then if you come back to this other side, you can still see reversal here. You can see 5 places. You can still see here 6 places, even 7. So this is a key level on our chart. Now we've gotten about 3 reasons why we should be looking for selling opportunity. Number 1, we are in a downtrend and market is running inside this channel. Now it has come to the second reason, or third reason would be market has gotten to this other side of the trend again this time. Then the fourth reason would be we have the horizontal line passing the same point, is the same point, right? So this is a confluence setup. This is a confluence area. This area here where you have both trend line and horizontal line passing at the same point, So this is a confluence zone, which means that markets, the probability is a bit high for markets to drop down, right? So now we've made up that story on the daily time frame. So when we're going down to 4 hours time frame, the lower time frames, all those time frames, we should be looking for selling opportunities. So now it's a bit easy. Someone might be staying on the lower time frame, like the 1 minute time frame, and be scalping crash 1000 without knowing. And then when you scalp, it spikes. You scalp, it spikes. Because you don't know that market has gotten to a psychological zone. And remember, this is also a psychological zone. That's another reason. Market has gotten to the psychological zone, right? So when market gets to this point, even if it will break this level, it will be spiking around this level for a while, because this level is very, very strong. That's why I love telling you guys, move to a higher time frame so as to get those strong zones. Do you understand? So now, even if it will go above this zone, but it will take your money over and over. So you don't want to stay here. You don't want to be buying around this level until maybe this place is broken and retested. Okay, so that's it. You can see it's simple now. I can't be buying with my indicator telling me to buy crash 1000 on the 1 minute time frame. I won't be doing that. I can't be taking that risk because it's risky. So now I'll move down to my 4 hours time frame. Here is my 4 hours time frame, guys. So on my 4 hours time frame, we have some rejections. You see, we have some rejections, which means that market is struggling to break this level bit. We have most sellers around this level because a lot of people are saying this stuff. So a lot of people are selling. So market is struggling to break this level, and you are telling them, yeah, we know that this is an uptrend. You can see this is an uptrend on the 4 hours time frame, but please, you've gotten to the psychological zone on the daily time frame, which we are expecting you to start selling from there. Okay, so it will be struggling around that level till at least moves a bit to a point like this and give us some money. That's awesome. Right. So while someone is staying on the 1 minute time frame trying to buy, you're looking at selling. You're waiting for market to get to your offer bought zone so that you'll be selling from that top down. You see now, it's simple. So now on the 4 hours time frame, we see those markets losing momentum. We see those rejections. That shows that buyers are pulling out their investments and sellers are all in. All right. So that's it. Now you move down to 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart, we're having the same thing. We're having the same thing on the 1 hour chart. You can see market is rejecting. It's tired of going up, and now it has started creating this structure, higher high, higher low, higher low, and probably lower low, lower high, and lower low. Now it has broken the last low around this level, which is this one. It has created the last low. Now we are somehow in the downtrend because it has broken the last low and created a lower low around this structure, around this zone, this correct price. So you can see now I'll be looking for selling opportunity when others are buying, right? Now you move to your 15 minutes time frame. So on the 15 minutes time frame, if you can see what happened some time ago on the 15 minutes time frame, okay, or let's say on the 1 minute time frame, remember what I told you. If you go back to where markets was trading before around that zone on the 1 hour time frame, right? So this is it, guys. On the 1 hour time frame, you can see this was our last up candlestick, right? This was our last up candlestick. Okay, so let's see if market reversed around the first two black lines we have. Okay, let me delete this one so that no, the first two black lines, this one here, this one, and this one. Let's see if market reverse around this zone, inside this zone, or maybe we can even place it here, but let's just keep it somewhere here or somewhere there. Okay, so now let's move down to the current price to see if market reverse around the last up candlestick. Remember, once you make, after doing your analysis, come down to maybe 1 hour, 15 minutes time frame to see if market reversed. We had strong bearish candlestick around the supply zone, strong bearish candlestick, like 2 or 3 strong bearish candlestick, and we had 1 or 2 strong bearish candlestick on the 1 hour time frame. So, and this was our last green candlestick. So this was the last green candlestick. You're looking for the last green candlestick, and you'll be looking to sell around this last green candlestick. Okay, so let's check the current price to see what happened. Okay, so market did not touch that line, did not touch the last green candlestick, but it was really pretty close. You can see it was pretty close to the last up candlestick. It was really close. It was just like few pips from there. Okay, so now that's your selling point, that's your selling level. Now you're looking for, because market has gotten to that zone, it has started losing momentum, you're looking for selling opportunity. You can see now someone that was buying, market will spike, you buy, market will start spiking. You can see spiking. If you check on the 1 minute time frame, it's spiking, right, over and over. It will spiking more because it has gotten to the psychological zone supply zone, it will be spiking more. So if you want to scalp, your indicator will tell you to scalp and keep scalping. It will be spiking, and you come and tell me that your strategy is not working. The strategy is working. It's just you're being lazy. You don't want to try a bit harder. You don't want to do something new. Like, you don't want to try to go a bit deeper than what, have depth. You don't want to go deeper than what you know, just placing indicators and that's it. And any strategy that I drop that does not have indicator, you guys should just keep it and move to the next one. Trust me, what you really need is the truth. And the truth is, you need the truth. Like, everybody needs this truth. And this truth is, your indicator cannot give you 100%. Price action will add up with the indicator and increase your winning rate. So that's it. So now, after doing that, on the 15 minutes time frame, we could have the last up candlestick on the 15 minutes time frame around that zone. Let's check, guys. I hope we'll be able to see that place where market is trading right now. We cannot get to that point. It's way too far. It's too far. We cannot get to that point. So that's the problem here. Okay, so now, what was my reason for this trade? On the 15 minutes time frame, you can see we had this first push to this level. Market push to this level and a massive spike. Then I knew that it was too massive for me to just start selling from this point, because there's a rejection and a massive strong bearish candlestick. I knew that markets would be selling, so it was hard a bit for me to start selling from here. So I waited for this other candlestick. So hard for me to sell from here. So I had to wait for this other candlestick to form. Let me see what's gonna happen. And then it started going up. Okay, so sorry, I had a call, guys. After the spike down, I had to wait for this other candlestick. It didn't feel right. It did not feel right for me to enter. I had to wait for this one to push up again around this level. I decided to open a position because the SL will be smaller now. My targets will be very small. My entry to my SL will be small. From if I enter from this level, it will be somewhere here. So it's manageable, reasonable. Okay. So I decided to open a position here, and behold, we had a spike. And market spiked down, and another one touched this level and started dropping all the way down. Then I also had a confirmation. Not just that, I also had a confirmation on my 1 minute time frame. Okay, under 1 minute time frame, I had a confirmation with my indicator. Guys. So this was it. This was my confirmation with the indicator. Sorry. This was my confirmation. This one here. When market touched this level, I now realized that all the indicators just touched this zone. Then it dropped, a spike. You see, now, if I did not know price action, if I did not combine this strategy with price action, I would just catch this spike here and I'll leave the market. But see all these stuffs now, all these markets now, about $60 running profits. I won't be making any money. I won't be making any money. Do you understand? Like, see all this massive spike, I would have just closed out right here. Or when market started going above this level, I'll just close out and I'll be mad. That's the strategy is not working. But because I've included price action, I could wait for market to do its stuff, and there was a massive spike again. We are in good profits, guys. We're in good profits. We're in like $60 running profits. Let's see. Look at that. Yeah, about $66 running profits. It was about $80. Okay, so but we are about $65 running in profits. So that's simple, guys. That's all you need to be doing every time. So this stuff is simple. If I were you, once I see this stuff now, I'll just go and keep on practicing what I've done. The more you do it, the more you get to understand how to use this strategy, how to do price action. And at some point, you might not even need indicator again. It's just simple. That's the only way to grow. That's the best way to grow. By practicing. Okay. So I believe this strategy really helped. So now then, for the indicator, this is what you do. This is the settings for the indicator. the settings for the indicator. I'll add the settings, indicator setting. You wait for market to get to the overbought zone after doing your price action analysis. Then once you get to the overbought zone, you sell for crash. Then for boom, when you get to oversold zone, you buy for boom if you are catching spikes. Then if you're scalping, you wait for market to get to the oversold zone. Okay, market has gotten to the oversold zone. You wait for all this indicator. You have to wait for the green, the red, and the black indicator to touch this line. Once this line is touched, or this black indicator should just near the line, very pretty close to the line. Okay, but you must be sure that the green and the red indicator touches this line, at least come to this point here. Then you see the red indicator crossing the green indicator upward. That shows that we are about to push up. Then with the confirmation on your main chart with your price action analysis, you are good to go, guys. You can hold for 10 to 20, 30 minutes depending on your tolerance. If you can really hold for a longer time, okay, you can still keep holding and it will keep pushing up and make your money. Okay, so look at that. We had another massive spike, bro. So like you see now, someone that is scalping will stay in the market for 30 minutes or less, or someone who want to just buy, and you see the thing keeps spiking over and over because it has gotten to that zone that it will be spiking over and over, guys. Do you understand? So this is very simple. This is how to really make money from this market. All right, so now the settings for the indicator, you click on this level. Then we have 3 indicators under the indicator window 1. We have the first indicator you must add. Remember, the first indicator you must add will be relative strength index, which is this. The period is 15, applied to typical price. Okay, the levels here, you click on the level and option, and you add. We have 90, level 90, we have level 10, we have 85, we have 15, right? We have those levels. And the style, we use black. You can click and put black color. Okay, and make sure that it's big enough for you to see on the chart, and you click on done. Pretty simple. That is all. The period is 15, and you click on done. That's the black indicator you have on the indicator window 1. Then you go back again. This is where you click. For those that does not know, you see above the 2, that number 2 there, you can see my arrow above the 2, that 2. Okay, there's something that looks like F icon. You click on that. That's where you bring your indicator and you click on it. You have your indicator. Then you scroll down to where you have moving average. Okay, you bring in the first one. The period is 10, the shift is 1, method is smoothed, applied to typical price. Levels here, I'm using lemon color. You can use lemon color as well, and you click on done. Then you go back again, click the same place to add the last MA, moving average. Okay, this one, the period is 6, shift is 1, method is smoothed, applied to typical price, and the color is red so that you'll be able to separate the two. And you click on done. Simple, guys. It's very simple. So I want you guys to tell me what you think about this strategy. Drop it on the comment section what you think about this strategy, and also check the description box to join my free Telegram channel. Chat me up for my services. I have mentorship. Okay, it's on. Mentorship is on, always on. Then VIP signals. Then for accounts management, I'm putting a post, like I'm not doing accounts management for now because I have some accounts I'm handling right now, or just want to be doing my trading somehow. Okay, so yeah, accounts management is there. And also there's something I'm planning to do by next month. Okay, so I want you guys to tap on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, you come watch and follow up. Okay, so if you join the free Telegram channel, you'll be able to get the updates about the program I'm trying to run by next month. First of next month, we kickstart this program, and it's really gonna help everybody, be it new trader, old trader, you're struggling to make profits or you're making profits already. It will really help everybody. So please make sure that you subscribe to this channel, share this video, and join the free Telegram channel. Thanks, guys. I love you. Bye-bye.